Hello everyone, we are from group 3. We are from group 5. And today we're going to explain about defining and refining the problem. But before that, we're going to introduce ourselves first. My name is Muhammad Iki Fairuz, and I'm here with my friends Audrey and Zahwa.
I'm going to explain about the word problem area. The problem does not necessarily mean that something is seriously wrong with a certain situation that needs to be rectified immediately. The problem could also indicate an interest in an issue where finding the right answer might help to improve an existing situation. Preliminary research. The word problem area preliminary research should help the researcher to gain a better understanding of the problem and to narrow the problem down to a researchable topic for study. Preliminary research should help the researcher to find answer to the questions such as what is the problem, why does the problem exist, and is the problem important, and what are the benefits of solving the problem. And the next slide is nature of the information to be gathered. Background information on the organization, information gathered on relevant contextual factor will be useful in talking knowledge with managers and other employees in the company and raise the appropriate issue related to the problem. The information could be the origin of the company, size, purpose and ideology, resource, financial position, information on structural factor, and etc.
So I'm going to explain the defining the problem state. So the researcher is in a position to narrow down the problem from its original broad base and define the issues of concern and more clearly. Next slide. And this is the research proposal. Before any research study is undertaken, there should be an agreement between the person who authorizes the study and the researcher as the problem to be investigated, and the methodology to be used, the duration of the study, and its cost. And the contents are, first one is working title, the next one is background of the study, and the third one is the problem statement, including the purpose of the study and research question. The fourth one is the scope of the study. Next one is the relevance of the study. And the sixth one is the research design. And the research design is including type of data, data collection methods, sampling design, and data analysis. And the next one is time frame of the study, including when the report will be handed. And the next one is the budget. And the last one is the selected bibliography.
Okay, so I'm gonna explain about the managerial implication. So manager inputs help the researcher to define the broad problem area and to narrow down the broad problem into a feasible topic for research. So manager who realize that the correct problem definition is very critical to ultimate problem solution. So do not grudge the time spent in working closely with researcher and also particularly at this stage. Okay. The next one is ethical issue in the preliminary stage of investigation. So preliminary information is gathered by the researcher to narrow the broad problem area and to define a specific problem statement. In many cases, the researcher interviewed decision maker, managers, and other employees to gain knowledge of the situation so as to better understand the problem. Okay, so we think that is from our presentation for chapter 3. Thank you so much for paying attention to this presentation. Once again, thank you.